Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the MCQs which are based on lesson number 1 for standard 11th arts, commerce and science students for IT subject, that is basics of information technology. Dash involves all of the technology that we use to collect, process, protect and store information. So here the right answer is information technology. So you just have to write the answer as it is the filling the blank. So you have to write the answer as information technology. Next question is a group of 4 bit is called as dash. So we all know the bit consists of 0 and 1, and when 4 bits they come together then it is called as nibble. 1 nibble is equals to 4 bit. Next question, ATM machine is an input or an output device. So basically ATM machine is an input device. Next question, dash is data formatted or processed in a manner that allows it to be utilized by human being in some significant way. So whenever a data is formatted, it is processed, the data gets converted into information. Next question, the word computer is derived from a Latin word. So computer is a Latin word from where a computer word is derived. Next is state true or false. The term data and information are interchangeable and mean the same thing. So both of them are interchangeable but they do not mean the same thing. So here the answer will be false, because information is a processed data and data is a raw fact. Next question, ROM cannot be overwritten by the computer and it is also called as non-volatile memory. So this is true, ROM is called as a non-volatile memory. Next question, open source software is having proprietary rights with developers and are paid ones. So this is false. Closed source softwares are having the rights and we have to pay to use these softwares which are closed source software. Next question, secondary memory is known as main memory. So the secondary memory is not called as main memory. In fact, primary memory is called as the main memory. Next question, Android is free and open source operating system provided by Google. So this is true. It is freely available and we can use it, and it is provided by Google. Next question, random access memory, that is volatile in nature. So this is true, random access memory, that is RAM, is volatile in nature. Next question, Microsoft Office Excel is an example of system software. This is false. Microsoft Office Excel is an application software. Next question, DHCP, that is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, is automatically assign internet address to computers and users. So definitely this is a dynamic host configuration protocol. It assigns the auto IP addresses. So it is true. Next is SMTP, that is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, a protocol used to receive email from remote mail servers, and it does not maintain a copy on the server. So this is not used to receive, this is used to send the email to the server, hence it is false. Next question, TCP/IP, that is Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol, it breaks down the message into packets and send them out in the network. So this is true. It breaks down the message in small packets. Next question, MCQ with one correct option. The first is storage capacity of DVD is dash. So here the answer is 4.5 GB. Next question, dash connects two or more separate computers that reside in the same or different cities. So when it comes into different cities, then it is metropolitan area network, that is MAN. Next question, dash refers to the software which releases the code in public domain from anyone to use. So it is an open source software which is available to public and anyone can use it by downloading it. Next question, the network architecture which are widely used are dash. So there are two network architecture basically, that is client server and peer to peer. So both of them are widely used, and you can also say that even an internet Internet is also a vast network which is widely used. So here the answer is internet. Next question, you are typing a letter using a computer and suddenly there is a power failure. Which type of memory does this activity deal with? So the right answer is RAM. So if there is a power failure, then definitely the data will be lost. Next question, which of the following protocol is used for internet chat and other communication and it facilitates communication in the form of text? So this is IRC, that is internet relay chat. Next question, Dash can develop interactive website using knowledge of HTML, PHP, various other programming languages. So whenever if you want to design a website, definitely a web designer or a developer can develop those things. Next question, it accepts data or instruction is called as an input device. An input device always accepts the information as well as instruction from the user. Next question, Dash is often measured in megabytes and gigabytes, that is MB and GB. So the right answer out of all these options are the memory. Next question, Dash means connecting computer to any other computer anywhere in the world. So that is the answer here is internet. Internet is helping us to connect with each other anywhere in the world. Next question, the secondary devices are, so you have the options like register, cache, pen drive and all the above. So pen drive is the secondary device. Next question, multiple choice 2. The primary memory consists of two types, that is RAM and ROM. It is also called as the main memory. In 1970s, the scientists Dash and Dash developed transmission control protocol and internet protocol on TCP/IP. So the scientists are Vinton Cerf and Robert Kahn. Next question, storage capacity of RAM can be dash. So basically the storage capacity can be 2 GB, 4 GB. So these are the two options. Next is operating systems for mobile phones are dash. So to design in mobile phone, operating systems are BlackBerry and Asha. Next question, there are two main ways to interact with the computer. So that is command line interface and graphic user interface. So these are the interacting ways by which we can interact with the computer. Next is MCQ with 3 correct options. So central processing unit, that is CPU, further consists of what? So you have to tick the 3 correct options, that is control unit, memory unit and arithmetic logical unit, that is ALU. So these are the right answers. Next question, examples of computer networking protocols are dash. So out of all these protocols, SMTP, then DNS and FTP, that is file transfer protocol, are the protocols. Next question, every computer system has the following 3 basic components. Yes, so there are 3 important and basic components of computer, that is input device, input unit, output unit and central processing unit. So this is how the computer is divided into 3 units. So this is all about the MCQs which are based on lesson number 1, that is basics of information technology, for all the streams, that is arts, commerce, science streams. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.